Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to check the RAM of your laptop, or in case you want to get a new system, how to check your RAM and stuff, and then what to look out for if you have your metric already. But I'm just going to show you the RAM, not what to look out for now, but how to check the RAM of your laptop so that you don't get scammed or anything. So if you're new to my channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell to see more posts. You get all notifications. These are the kind of contents I drop on my channel: share your files, how to, crypto, your laptops, everything you need to know. Everything you need to know on how to use certain apps and how to use them efficiently. Now, what are you going to do now? You click on your start button and get to your settings. When you are on your settings now, you click on your system settings, click on the about, scroll down, you see the about, and you see everything about your laptop. So in case you have been lied to, or you're a new person, you want to get a laptop of maybe 10 gig, 8 gig RAM or 16 gig RAM, and they give you something less, you just click on those things and check out this installed RAM. You're going to see 24 gig RAM. That's from my own, and specifications, device specifications. You're going to see pen and touch supports with 10 touch points. So these are the supports and everything. If your own is touch screen and everything, you're going to also know from here. So thank you for watching, and I want to see you guys in the next video. If this video was helpful, please do well to like my videos, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the bell notifications to get more of my videos. Thank you very much.